Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI 15T. In this video I'll show you how to set up Portable Hotspot. In the beginning, make sure you've got mobile network set. Next, go to Settings or scroll down notification bar. Right here you should have Portable Hotspot icon. If it's not here, extend the menu by clicking Edit and find Hotspot. Tap it, and the hotspot is on. Now tap and hold on this button to go to hotspot settings. Here you can set up Portable Hotspot. You can find SSID, password, security, AP band, or hide SSID. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.